Oh, the girl in my mirror is crying 'cause of you. And I wish there was something I could do. I would tell her not to be afraid. The pain that she is feeling, the sense of loneliness will fade. So dry your tears and rest assured, love will find you like before. When she's looking back at me, I know nothing really works that easily. 'Cause the girl in my mirror is crying tonight. There's nothing I can tell her to make